If you're managing a project and want to stay in full control, Odoo helps you organize and manage everything with ease. We'll open the Projects app. Here, we can see several projects already available. Our goal is to organize each project so that everything becomes clear and easy to manage. Let's take an example, the marketing project. Inside the project, we can divide it into stages: ideas, researching, writing, editing, done. In the researching stage, we can split the work into 3 campaigns. For example, if we need ideas for campaign 4, we can assign the task to Mina Medhat. Next, we can move the task to the researching stage or writing stage and give it a title, such as LinkedIn post. If edits are needed, we can move it to the editing stage instead. And once the task is complete, we simply drag it to the done stage. If we have ideas for a campaign, like campaign 4 but decide not to move forward, we can just cancel it. And if campaign 3 requires adjustments, we can mark it as in progress, or even reassign it to another employee, for example, Josh. When we reassign the task, we're not only changing the responsible person, but we can also add important details such as his phone number and email address. That way, everyone on the team knows exactly who is in charge, and how to contact him directly if any questions or updates come up. This makes collaboration smoother, avoids confusion, and ensures that tasks don't get lost between team members.